Hey guys, this is my ugly sister Angela, and this is my beautiful sister Angela. I swear it's not the same person, they just have the same name. So for this specific makeup look, I started off by doing her eyebrows first. I already did her other one, and I'm using the NYX brow pencil in the shade Ash Brown. For my sister's brow in particular, I underlined the bottom, and then I did natural hair strokes in the front, and I outlined the top. And then I went in and I filled in all the empty spaces where she was missing hair, had little patches or whatever. And then I just brushed it out to make it all like blend in together and look natural. Now I'm just going to be concealing her brows, and I'm going to be using any random Morphe brush, like an angle brush. And I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium and just like carving out her brow at the bottom and then blending it out. You know we could put them all to shame. Now isn't the time to play it safe. Isn't this the reason why you She likes her brows to be really bold, so I go ahead and conceal the top. I'm sorry, it's like focusing on my arm right now, but I conceal the top with the same angle brush and the same concealer, and then I just blend it out as well. Every single thing is feeling right. Started as a quiet Friday night. With the same concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and prime her eyelids with my Morphe Beauty Blender. All the eyeshadows I'm using in this video are from the Desert Dust palette by Huda Beauty. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Eden with my Morphe R38 brush. And this is going to be my transition shade. Now I'm taking my Morphe M573 brush in the shade Amber for my crease. And I'm just going to drag it up with my transition shade, just to blend it out a little bit more towards the top. I'm taking my Morphe E18 brush with the shade Oud, and that's pretty much going to be for my outer corner, and I'm going to bring it in closer to the crease towards the middle a little bit and just blend it out towards the top also. Going back in with the Morphe M573 brush, I'm not going to add any product, and I just blended those colors together. Now I'm taking my Morphe M170-6 brush and the shade Celestial from the Huda Beauty palette and applying that all over her lid. And notice how I'm doing like a soft little crease at the top. I'm not making it like a super sharp half cut crease. But if you wanted to do that, then go ahead and add the concealer under and sharpen it out and pack on that Celestial color on your lid. Now I'm just going to go in with the NYX matte liquid liner and apply it on her lash line so I can hide the band of the lashes that I'm going to apply in a little bit. Notice how for the other eye I went from the outer corner to the inner corner, and here I'm doing the opposite. There's no wrong way, so it's just the way that I work. I guess I do it different every time. It's time for primer. Now I'm going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in light, and I'm taking my Morphe M557 brush just to blend it all out. While I'm applying her primer, before this I did go in and apply the glue to my lashes. So I have them getting tacky and stuff, and as soon as I finish, I go ahead and just pop them on, and they stick on perfectly fine. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I'm using the Clear Lash Glue by Duo. For me, it's easier to apply them with tweezers rather than my fingers. I just feel like I have more control over the lash. For foundation, I'm taking the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in the shade Pecan 18. I pretty much just use 2 pumps.
What am I supposed to do? Now tell me, what am I supposed to do? I'm blossoming right in front of your eyes. Now, darling.
Now I'm going to take my Morphe Beauty Blender and I'm just going to dab the foundation into her skin. I'm not going to rub it, I'm just going to tap it all over. So I took the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Espresso or Espresso, I don't know. And I'm just going to blend it with the Beauty Blender. I'm now going to be highlighting her face and concealing her under eye with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, the same shade that I used to prime her lid.
This what happened when I think about you.
Now I'm going to take the Revlon Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to be setting her under eye and over her nose and her chin and forehead, and just dusting it right off.
Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways, got way too complicated me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my song.
Now I'm going to take my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to be adding color to her face so she won't look so pale. In the same areas where I did the contour with the foundation stick, I'm just going to go over and brighten it up a little bit more.
Break it down. Yes, sir. Check. We used to lay up and then stay up, have sex and then
Okay, so for blush, I used the Morphe 9D palette. It's the second color in the third row. It's a nice pinky color, not too crazy. Time for highlight. I used the Artist Couture highlight in the shade Illuminati with my R36 brush, my favorite brush, to apply highlight. And I'm doing it straight from the canister. I didn't spray setting spray on my brush before applying it, because it has like a really nice, like, natural glowy look. If you are one of those people that like their highlight to be super poppin' and like shimmery and really glowy and buttery, you can add setting spray to your brush and it will make it look really, really bright. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. It's my #1, and here I'm fanning it to have it dry a little bit faster. Last but not least, this is a gloss by Bare Minerals. It's in the shade Darling, and it is a full coverage lip gloss.
You wanna tell him, don't try him. I don't wanna tell him, let's surprise him. I don't wanna get into it, why you stressing him? I've been driving back and forth from Louisville to Lexington. Mileage on the whip, got your ass in my grip. College, make you wanna strip for them dollars. Nah, girl, I got a job for you. Swear to God, I could do it live for you. Saw you strolling through the campus, I had to stop for you. I was scrolling through the gram, girl, I had to follow you. Say what's up with you. You got my soul.
Try to like go like this. So you're double chin.
Moving further out.